Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get them Popeyes chicken, bro.
Let's go, babies. Very excited?
Yeah, I'm
Not nervous at all?
not nervous at all.
Why aren't you nervous? Why am I the nervous wreck, yaar?
Let's go.
We've got the ladies coming in, Katie and Laura. With Nushi and Ingwell.
Congratulations, ladies.
Wow, let me guess what sport this is. Everyone's shirtless.
Michael
Let's
and
go.
Dave Kelly.
Man, let's go, Davy.
Run 1:2:16 because it was shorter in Mumbai. The first lap was shorter.
Nice one. Okay, still smiling. Technique
Decent.
looking good, yeah, Tots?
Thanks. Decent time, no?
Yeah.
3:53.
I'm really liking your technique in this one.
I was pumped. Ankush and we were
Yeah.
right there, huh? And
Nice.
look at him.
Yeah.
How
Dude, like the height, of course,
he's,
is.
he's
Yeah.
really
Oh my
yanking
god.
it down.
And he looks strong.
He is very strong.
Beast.
He's much bigger than me. He's like
Yeah.
81, 82, I think.
436. Decent. Alright.
Check it out. Monu and Amandeep are right behind us. Huh? They're hanging on to us. I mean, we are neck and neck over here. Look at that.
Nice.
2:05 is a pretty solid time for pro weights. This is where we get a little bit of a lead.
Hmm.
I mean,
Nice.
I just
You're
blast
ripping it,
through.
yeah. I can see.
You're
Sprinting.
Up till this point, we are like
Right.
third overall.
You think this is tougher for taller people,
For taller, yes.
right?
But it totally depends on how low they are on the sled. If you can manage to stay low,
But then that like really affects your
back
back,
for sure.
honestly.
Posture
Yeah.
is a little
Yeah. Nice, nice. Still going very strong.
bit. Like now
Dude, Davy looks like a beast.
he's a tank. Davy's a tank.
Dude, man.
And imagine like being that big,
Yeah.
he can run really fast still.
Yeah. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Technique still looking pretty great.
This one's done. We are
Yeah,
out of here.
Okay.
That was quick.
Where,
2 minutes
Where
was.
were Monu? Are they
You
still
see
on
those
it?
two white
Yeah,
guys?
yeah.
They were right with us the whole time. Like you'll see them throughout the race. Like and Amandeep are right behind us right now.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there. Okay, okay. Dude, I think I missed this part
And
of
you
your
see
race.
the pink and the blue shorts
Yeah.
guys? These guys beat us by 10 seconds.
Yeah. Dude.
So right here it's still neck and neck. And remember I told you, watch the rope, and I only didn't.
Yeah, it's okay.
Boom.
Oh, oh, that must have hurt.
But I mean,
Nice.
after this, it was perfect. Like this team, the blue
Yeah.
shorts and the pink
Yeah.
shorts, they were really good. Yeah, I was very impressed by them.
Just look at that. So if you look at that, guys, these guys' technique.
Yeah.
So what we guys do, we sit in a full depth and then pull. If you
Yeah.
look at them, they're not sitting in an entire squat.
don't.
They are actually just pulling. They're starting to
We
pull.
can be a little bit higher for
Yeah.
sure.
You think obviously that saved them a lot of time. That saved them time for sure.
Yeah.
From what I can see.
I mean, if you look at Davies pulls, they're
Yeah.
so much stronger. Like
See now, Davy
look
is
at-
doing that technique. Davy is doing that technique they were doing.
I know, but he's just ripping it
Yeah.
on the sleds. Yeah, he was very strong on the sleds.
See, he also fell.
Got stuck there.
Yeah. Nice, nice,
Now,
nice.
now look at he starts, huh? Over here on this
Yeah.
side. Now look at his technique.
Sing. Nice.
And then he
Nice.
does a little bit
Yeah,
of a
yeah,
torque
yeah.
to the side.
Have you ever tried this technique?
I haven't, but it doesn't work. Uh, I feel like you're putting too much pressure on one side. I mean, he's bigger.
He's switching, and he's switching also. If you look at it, he's
He's
switching
going left and
sides.
right. No?
Yeah.
He's bigger, so the weight is, of course, he can move the weight around a bit
Hmm.
easier. But you see those pink and the blue shorts guys that hide behind us, man.
I
They
see
were,
them. I
They
see
were
them.
just with us the whole time.
I see them.
They were
Basically,
really
I
cool.
missed the first half of your race, man. I think I joined it when you guys went to the burpee station.
Acha.
Yeah, I was doing your registrations. That's why I don't recall watching all of this.
This is where
Yeah.
basically Monu and
Oh,
Amandeep
of
have
course, of course.
they've-
Monu is, the burpee king. Mono is the burpee king, for sure.
they've taken it over here. They're already, I think, finished. They were a whole half lap ahead
Really?
of us. Yeah,
That ahead? Oh shit. Okay.
because on the lap, that's
Yeah.
when they took,
Nice.
overtook us.
Nice, nice, nice.
You see these guys? They're right
Yeah.
here. I was basically now trying
But-
to stick to them the whole time.
That's when I looked at them doing burpees, man. They were flying.
Yeah,
They were literally flying.
but look at this. Now I'm gonna fly, bro.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah.
I-
Okay.
Look at this jump right here.
Okay.
I was with
And
this guy behind him.
oh, damn.
I was fired up. I was like, dude, we have to,
Dude, we have to catch them. Yeah.
we have to get those guys.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah. $5:07. Why do you think you slowed down so much here?
I mean, these are the times on the app, but I feel we were doing 4:30, 4:40, the most of
Okay.
it. I don't know if it's accurate or not. In the row also, I feel
Could have been faster.
4:29 is a bit slow.
Yeah.
We should have taken. The
Yeah.
way we split it was the way we split the row was 600 and 400.
Okay. Maybe you should have taken one more break in the middle. It should have divided into three.
I think so.
You could have given him a little bit more.
I should have actually given.
Yeah.
He's very strong on the row.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
can see that. Like, the legs, the height is playing to his advantage, and him being like a
know. Oh, we did. Oh, we did a
Strong.
we did a two switch. I forgot exactly
Oh.
what it was. I think it was 400, and then I did the
did a
last 200.
Yeah, okay, okay. So he's still looking strong. Oh, this is a better run, of course. Not your best.
Yeah, I mean,
But a
we
better
need to
run.
really work on the runs for sure. Now we know.
Yeah.
I mean, Davey also knows he doesn't need to be so big.
And I also feel thoughts.
Yeah,
We should do more simulations, man.
we will.
Yeah.
Of course, in
Before
prep
the
for-
next Hyrox, now
for
we should
sure.
do a lot more simulations. I remember the first one being easier for the both of us because we were doing simulations literally every week. You remember?
Yeah, I hear you.
I think that's what really helped us in the first one.
134. We're quick on
Nice.
this one.
Nice.
We're ahead of those guys, huh?
Coach, look at your arms, man. Your triceps have a bicep. Like, what the hell, dude?
I was in really good shape, I would say, for this race.
When are you not?
No, but in performance, I felt I was in really good shape.
You can do this one now also. Okay, let's go, Davey.
He gets penalized here.
For? Oh, he
I don't know. I
started
think he
early, okay.
overstepped
Okay.
the line. I don't know what
Okay.
happened.
He's going a little bit slower here, no?
A little bit slower.
Yeah. Okay. Good switch. Nice. Oh, that's me. That's me shouting.
I was
Oh, nice.
trying to catch up
Yeah.
because those guys were now ahead of us, the white guys.
Hmm.
But see, right there.
Yeah, yeah,
They're like
yeah.
maybe 3 steps ahead of us or
Huh.
4 steps ahead of us.
See? impressed. Ingvild is not.
Smooth
Nice,
transition.
good switch. I saw that.
We overtook them here, huh?
Yeah.
Just by a single step. We went in, go to drink water, and then they're like,
Uh,
again, they're ahead of us.
oh, this also.
Just the last one. Let's go. This is Davi's station.
And yours. Your wall balls are pretty.
Dude, he
great
came
as
in.
well.
He
Yeah.
came in and did 30 unbroken.
Oh shit.
And I was like, oh my god, thank you. You saved me, bro. That really
Dude,
recharged me.
it's like the target is right there for him.
Yeah, he's a bit taller also than me.
Where are these guys right now? Do you have an idea?
I don't know where
Oh,
they are
that guy
right
is
now.
fast, huh? The guy in the pink
He's
shorts.
fast. He's
Oh
fast.
wow.
But they beat us by 10 seconds, literally.
Shit.
It was very close. Like they went and then just like we were 2 wall balls or 3
Oh,
wall
no.
balls after.
Come on. Nice one. Nice one.
See, they're just
Nice
there.
one, babe. So proud of you. I remember you going in this thinking
Sub
of doing
70 to
it.
leke aana hai.
Yes, yes, and you got it.
And 67
That's
aaya. I was
beautiful,
very
man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Davy is like me. Yeah, yeah.
Bhai,
Hotties,
much
hotties.
respect to Monu and Amandeep. Bhai. Killed it, man.
Yeah.
So, any pointers and like things that you want to add?
Approaching high rocks, we should at least have 3 to 4 simulations in the bag.
I mean, now there's no secret that running is
Is
where
the
it's
game
at.
changer,
The
yeah.
game changer.
Right.
So, thank you guys. Hope you like the video. You guys know what to do. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And let us know what you'd like to see more of. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
see you on
Follow
the
for
next
more.
one.